Hi everyone, in this tutorial I quickly show you how to create real text is your work. So let's get started. Add a video to the timeline. Add a text. Set text duration. Change default text. Choose font and change text size. Move text to the right. And set a keyframe at the beginning of the text. Then at the end of the video, move the text to the left. And set a keyframe. Now, add the same video to the timeline. Now, we need to move the text between the two videos. It's not working, as you can see. Click on an empty space in the timeline, and a Modify button will be appear on the right. Turn on Range Lines. Now, move the text between the two videos. Select the video on top. On the right, choose a horizontal mask for the video and adjust it so the text appears to the left of the person. Now, to make it even more beautiful, add the same video on top and remove the background. Thank you for everyone watching the video till then. If you like it, subscribe the channel and like the video.